Hi everyone. Today we'll go through the first tutorial from the documentation to understand how to connect any object and its fields to history tracking. First, we'll configure the configuration object. The name is arbitrary. I prefer to include a reference to the object this configuration belongs to. We are creating a configuration for a test object from the package. We specify the object API name and the API names of the fields that should be tracked, as well as the history length. If we set it to 10, then for each record of the object and for each of the specified fields, 10 changes will be stored.
The static configuration is ready. Now it can be read. The only thing left is to add the component that will track records and store their history according to this configuration. And again, it's very simple. The package includes a flow template that allows you to set this up in just a few clicks. We simply select our object here and the fields we want to store here.
After these quick settings, your flow will send data to our generic invocable Apex action. That's where the history writing process happens. All it needs to do is simply get the record IDs when they change. You don't need to worry about anything else. You don't need any development to use UndoEngine. If your organization has developers, they will never have to get involved in the process of configuring or connecting the package. You only need a minimal understanding of Salesforce.
To save the flow, we need to open the advanced section and specify again that the flow was created from our template. Done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.